Some evidence about the impact of climate change on maternal and child health in Indonesia. The emergence of negative impacts occurred simultaneously in many areas. In the annual cycle, all impacts can occur, and overall the impact can be very significant in the short or long term. The impacts of climate change are becoming more visible day by day. The visibility of this impact shows that the negative impacts of climate change are occurring in all parts of the world. Various regions with the same conditions show the same impact, and it is no exception in Indonesia. Research on the negative impacts of climate change on maternal and newborn health in Indonesia is still limited. However, similar experiences have also been proven to occur in Indonesia. Research was conducted by THBC and Gracie to find out the impact of climate change and child nutrition in 2020. This research analyzed data from the Indonesian Family Survey, which was carried out between 1993 and 2015. The results showed that a delay in the arrival of the rainy season during pregnancy was associated with reduced height among children aged to 2 years. This relationship is especially strong in Java. The next research was conducted by Jayachandran S. regarding the relationship between forest fires and premature death in Indonesia. This research examines the impact of air pollution particles on fetal, infant and child deaths using the census and the time of forest fires. This research found that pollution caused 15,600 children's whereabouts unknown or not to be counted in census data. Another research was conducted by Tansu JS and Patanayak SK to analyze the relationship between forest fires, haze and conditions in children's early lives. This study found an association between exposure to smoke caused by forest fires in 1997 in pregnancy and adult height. These 3 studies show that what is happening in other regions of the world is also happening in Indonesia. Due to the limited research conducted, not much has been revealed about climate change on health in Indonesia. This is a warning sign that bad impacts have occurred as climate change continues in Indonesia. The emergence of adverse impacts may be masked by the overall picture of maternal and child health. While service improvements continue, it is very important to carry out research to see how much influence climate change has on maternal and child health. This is important because if services can be controlled, climate change as a determining factor cannot be controlled and will continue. It is estimated that climate change will continue to have negative impacts. These impacts could hinder the achievement of health programs. Not only does research have to be carried out, but policies must also consider data that shows what is happening in other parts of the world. Research and various other analyses require policies to be allocated within the health development program.